So with that said, the first thing you're going to do to set up your search campaigns is to find the 500 plus ways that people are searching for water damage restoration services, flood damage water restoration services, sewer damage restoration services, and the like. And there really is over 500 different unique ways people search for this. I know because we run campaigns in this space. And when I say 500 unique terms, I do say that are going to want to set up single keyword ad group campaigns in order to have an edge in your market and actually get it to work.